Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. This is going to be another big video of TA. I'm going to be looking at the post that I made recently. I got a little bit late to it just because I've been super busy with the holidays and everything. It's been kind of sucky. Well, probably shouldn't have shown that. Where is that? Here we go. So, Trish, we're looking at RUM. Let's go. I'm just gonna go straight to it because I want to make sure that we get through all of these. Let's go to the monthly first because first of all, right? If this looks pretty. When did it start trading? So usually what I like to do is start off at the month, right? That way on the monthly, I have a good idea of what the direction of the stock is. And so far, I mean, it's been pretty shit since September 2024, right? And then you just had an immediate push to the upside. I'm guessing some major news came out. My personal entry would have probably been back here, probably like at 682, right? When you had that monthly bullish trigger right there. So my average, if I got into RUM, I would have probably got into at 682, no later than no less or no later than that. I would have probably got in again at 586 before pushing into up here. So definitely just by, you guys using the triggers or the strategies, you guys would have been up like, 300% gain on this over the course of since January 2024. So earlier this year, right? This would have been an easy, if you wanted this would have been an easy, 300% return. Me personally, I don't know if I would have gotten into this just because it's been like on a downtrend, but we can easily just run the channels, right? I don't think I need to do a full TA on this one. This is more of a like an overview, right, of where we think the stock is actually going. But again, channels, grab your channels. These look to be, these are perfect right there. We're looking for some nice solid, there you go. That's channel 1. And again, what do? Clone it, take it to the upside, and it looks to me like you already hit target, right? So your next target, right, you either drop from here all the way down to 573, and you have, it looks like you're actually going to be pushing. You are closing above, right? That channel, yeah, you're doing pretty well. So I would definitely say this is more of a monthly or like a 2-week, right? Oh, look at that. That's perfect, right? Perfect entry at 550, right? Perfect entry at 510. So either way, your entry would have been somewhere around this area of $5. Easy 300% gain on this. You are nearing the upper side of that sub channel, that mid channel, right? I don't know if I would want to get in here. I would wait for some kind of retrace, at least for the gap fill, right? At least for some kind of gap fill. I'm guessing that you top out here, you probably come like halfway down here, and then you probably blow up to like $28. Or you come down to $6, right? So RUM overall looks pretty bullish, right? But obviously your entries, right, would have been, if you're being smart about this, right, and you're looking at this on the 2-week, right, or the weekly, your entry would have been right here or like right here somewhere where that trigger came. Again, perfect entry, right? Perfect entry here. Perfect entry there. You would have been holding this since November 2023, so about a year. In 1 year, you would have done a 300% gain. And what's the average return on SPY? 10%? You would have done 30 times better just by listening to the triggers. So yeah, there's RUM for you. RUM looks good. Personally, I wouldn't buy into it right now. It's already mooned too much. I would wait for at least some sort of retracement. And you do have a gap, right? You got a gap right here at 889. So I'd probably wait till you hit like 889. I can almost guarantee you this is a sub channel, right? So if I make a clone of this channel and I put it from here to here, I can guarantee you there's going to be a mid channel right there. So yeah, 889 would be a solid entry for me. Personally, I think we're probably going to drop and then drop again to 619, or you stay sideways for a little bit and then you moonshot to 29. You already took out mid channel, so the only place you have left to go is that $29 mark on RUM. So there you go. SOUNDHOUND. Let's go to SOUNDHOUND. I forgot what the ticker. I always forget the ticker is SOUNDHOUnd. Looks like all my targets hit. I guess I had a recent target of $18.18 right here. That was just resistance, right? So yeah, my $18 target hit from here. Oh, it's gonna be an easy target on SOUNDHOUND, right? You have 2 targets, right? Your major target right now, what did I do wrong here? Am I doing this right? What did I just do? I guess. It's weird. I would have thought that we would have had a higher target on SPY. But anyways, SOUNDHOUND target right now is going to be $28.60, right? That's going to be first target. Second target, if you want to have kind of a lower, you know, we'll see where it's going from here. You run it from there. And yeah, there you go. See? Same thing. You already broke previous highs, right? First target was 14, second target was 21, and then third target again, 28.21, which is that level that we just put. So yeah, SOUNDHOUND currently have a target of 28, like 21, 28, 20-ish, something like that, something around this area. So as soon as this hits, you know, I don't know if I would sell, right? Depending on where you bought it, right? Like if you bought this back in, you know, let's check, Jesus. To remove everything, right? So right as of right now, that's your target, right? 28.60. But again, if you would have bought this, your entry on Sound would have been here on 751, right? Your entry would have been here on 915 if you were doing this on the what is it called? On the monthly. If you were following this on the 2-week, your entry would have been 554, right? Your entry would have been here at $1.83, and your entry would have been here at $1.77, right? So again, my indicators stay goated and will continue to stay goated. And if you want the indicators, just join the Patreon, right? Join the Patreon. I like the top better. I like this a lot better. What's better? This. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense, honestly. Going this to the upside. Oh yeah, so target is definitely, I'd say 28, but your major target right now is that there's that mid channel at like $40. So I would say first target is 28.37, 28.20, whatever that level I put, right? Second target would be that mid channel at like $40, somewhere around somewhere above like $39. So that's gonna be for Sound. YPF. I've never heard of this one before. YPF. Let's go to the 3-month. We're doing really well recently. YPF. This is more than likely going to be a long-term hold. I wouldn't necessarily want YPF as like, you know, to trade maybe. Let me see. Does this hit anything? I kind of like it here. But then that means I probably kind of like this chart here. This probably be better. This is, oh yeah, that's a much better chart. There you go. So your mid-channel target would be 65. And again, we're using the yearly chart. So this is the yearly target is like over here at 66.46. So I wouldn't expect this to actually hit this mark till next year, probably, maybe sometime at 2025. If you're running this based off of just a fib, right? Actually, what high did it break? Just broke this high, so maybe a little bit easier to do this. For now, really. 65, yeah. Yeah, again, see? If you close like this by the end of the year in 2 days, then I can definitely see you going up to like a $64.79 longer term, right? Again, this is target for next year. This is a very slow moving stock, right? You've been basically down the shit since 2005, right? You peaked in 2005 and you basically just been dropping ever since, right? Your entry point would have been here back in 2022 at $9, right? But as of right now, it does look like it's headed to $65 for YPF. And then XRP, I mean, XRP, I'll do TA for you guys, but you guys already know that I'm bearish on all of crypto right now, right? So I'm already super bearish, right? As of right now, I am looking for, I don't need to do too much TA. I'm looking for XRP to at least go back down to like a 1.4, 1.2, right? I don't need to do too much TA. You'll have some sort of support probably here at 1.75, right? If you hold up this price, then cool, you might stay sideways or bounce back up. But I am looking for XRP to fall within this range of 1.2 to like a 1.4-ish, somewhere around here. So with that being said, I think that's all the stocks that everybody posted. I'll probably make another video or another post on my Patreon to ask for more requests. But again, this is your big video on TA. If you want to join the Patreon, you're still watching, please join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. All the links are going to be in the bio. Have a great day. If you guys want me to look at any stocks or any like crypto, just make sure to leave a comment on the video and I'll probably get to it soon. So I'll see you guys later. Happy holidays, guys. Bye-bye.